Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we will be discussing about how to add Presto Card to Apple Wallet. As you all know, you can't add any external card other than debit, credit or transit card, drivers or state ID directly from the Apple Wallet itself. But don't worry, in this video we'll help you find a solution for it. Just follow these easy steps. Step 1. Go to App Store and search for Card Manager. Install the app. After installing, open the app. You will be able to see 4 menus named Give, Loyalty, Membership and All. Click on All. Press Add Card. Select Store Card. Now search for Presto. Click on it. Now you can scan your card via the front camera or enter your card details manually. After doing this, click on Save. Once you have saved it, you'll see a button to add it to Apple Wallet. Click on it and your card will be successfully added to your Apple Wallet.